2006 Honda Pilot. I'm going to replace a door, passenger door. I'm going to open this bolt. We need to open the door panel because see this, there's the electric connection right there. So I'm going to open this door panel too. So you can just pull it. This the rubber seal, just pull it from here, and we need to open the connector. This is the harness, so that's why you need to open this. To open this, there's a cover. This one, just push something like this and pull it, and there's a flip screw right there, so I'm going to open that. So with the pry bar, just pull it like this. There's a connector right here. To take this off, there's a push clip like here. Just push like this and pull it. Pull like that. There's a one more screw right here. We need to take this off. Another screw is right under. See this little hole? There is another screw. It's right there. Let me take this off. So take this screw off. There's two screws actually, one in here, one in there. So we need to take the bolt off and put the pry bar in here. And just pry it. So, use your hand. Hold the push clip. I can able to pull this all the way. Just push it on. Just push this. The door handle. So let me take. See right there. There's a clip. Pull this. See this thing is go inside here, then you have to lock it like this. Now I'm gonna take this speaker off. There's a 3 Philip head screw. Let me take this off. To take this speaker off, there's a both side. Need to push that. Push the tab from here. Then pull it this. I'm gonna take little by little this wider strip. Take it easy. Go. See, there's a glue. So take little by little. Then you can put it back. But this door I'm not gonna use that, so I don't care really about that. But if you use the door, just take slowly, and when you're done, to put it back again. So we have to take all this harness, the pry bar in here, it'll come out. And this one. Take this connector off. It's very simple. Just there's a tab. Just push this and pull it. This for the motor. Then this one, there's both sides, the push tab right here. Push it. There you go. So this is the connector for the lock. See this? Just push the tab in here and pull it. It will come out. Now I can easily pull from here. So this harness is coming little by little. If something is binding, you see this, I have this one. So just push in here. There's another push in the bottom. This went inside now. Now you see. The harness is coming out. See this? So now I can open this and this bolt for the hinge. So this whole harness is out. So this is a 12 millimeter. I just take out the front door. This is two 12 millimeter. Yeah, I need the one is out. So there's a two 12 millimeter on the bottom too, right here. We need to take this off. So after we take this off, this one is off already. After this, we need to hold on the bottom or somebody hold the door, because after I open this, the whole door will fall down. So whole door is out. Now I'm gonna put this the door I bought from the junkyard. Basically, reverse is removable. So when you put the door back, just lock the door, like pull it up and lock it. And when you lock the door, this ball and these two ball, it will go on alignment perfectly. Just shut the door and tie this ball. After that, nothing will have any problem. So let me put together everything back. Thank you guys. I think I don't need to show you again how to put it back. That's the same thing.